guys, it's Corinne with Thompson RV. Today I'm here to show you a cool new accessory. Here at Thompson RV, we're kind of always on the hunt for cool accessories for your outdoors RV product because we really like to curate a store that has the highest end, highest quality products because you're purchasing the highest end, highest quality travel trailer on the market, right? So if you're purchasing a titanium series from Thompson RV, we option in the Maxx Air Deluxe vent fans on every single trailer. Outdoors RV is kind enough to supply an insulated pillow for the bedroom vent, right? To block out the light and give you some insulation if you want it. However, this has been around forever and it's kind of ugly. So I found a really cool new product from a company called Van Essentials. So they're kind of cool in the overlanding world, but it definitely crosses over into your outdoors RV, mountain series, titanium series. Honestly, it can cross over into the RV industry as a whole. Anything that has a vent that you want to block out some light or add a little extra insulation. So this is a magnetic cover. It comes in 3 colors, black, light gray, and dark gray. We do have these uploaded to our new Shopify page. You can find the link down below. You can also get there by going to our website, clicking on the parts department, and then we have a little link to our page. We're uploading new products to our Shopify page constantly. So it's our goal to have an entire outdoors RV repair parts section. So you don't have to try and track down the correct parts, wheel bearings, wheel skirts, all of that for your Timber Ridge, Creekside, Blackstone, maybe even some of the older products like the Wind River. We're going to try and make it a one-stop shop where you can find everything you need to repair your outdoors RV, upgrade your outdoors RV, or just really cool accessories that you can add to any RV. So these are super easy to install. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to bring in my cutest technician so he can show you how easy it is to install this magnetic cover. And here to show you how easy it is to install this vent cover is my son, Grady. So he's 14 years old. It's so easy that a 14-year-old can do it.
So all you're going to need to install the vent cover is a battery drill or a screwdriver and a roll of painter's tape. So when you open this up, you're going to get 13 magnets. You only need to use 12 of them. They just give you a spare. And you're also going to get the instructions to do it if you're not quite sure how to do it. So what you're going to do first is you're going to take out the 4 screws and take down the shroud. And then once that is down, you're going to lay out the vent cover and you're just going to place this over it like you're putting it on. And then you're going to lay out the 12 magnets on top of this so it's magneting through to the vent cover. And that's how you know you're going to put them in the right spot. And they'll just magnet right into place. And then that's on there. So then you're going to take your painter's tape and you're going to put some tape over the magnets to keep them in place. So once you have all of these taped back into place, you're going to remove the vent cover and then you're going to reinstall the vent shroud. And you need to make sure to not fold any of these up while you're reinstalling it. Once you have that installed all the way, we're going to put up the vent cover now. And there it is.
Again, what I absolutely love about the Van Essentials vent cover is that it's so easy to remove and install, but it has such a nice, clean, sleek look. Perfect for an outdoors RV titanium. And again, it comes in 3 available colors. So the one that we installed was charcoal. You also have a light gray and then a black as well. So if you have any questions on this product or any of our products, don't hesitate to give us a call or check out our new Shopify page.